cooking, cooking with Vikki. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Vikki. I'm back again. Woo 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 woo. And I am back cooking with Vikki. Yay! So as you know, like you've watched my fitness stuff, so I'm on a fitness journey. So I do love baking, and so I'm definitely working. I'm just having fun with taking regular recipes and making them vegan and whatever. In terms of like baking like sweets and stuff, so that's fun, whatever. But also I want to try being more plant-based during the week. I'm a meat eater, so I'm still eating meat, girl bye. I'm still eating meat, but I want to be more plant-based overall in my lifestyle. So just like, you know, kind of just leaning out the proteins and cutting the fats and things like that. So, I have my expander in. I'm getting braces. Oh, I'm going to get my wisdom teeth pulled. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. But whatever. So, I realized that I lean heavy on meats for breakfast. I am my father's child. And my dad loves breakfast. I love breakfast. So, like, I need to work on making my breakfast plant-based, and I can't do just cereal, protein shakes, and fruit, and I don't like oatmeal, and I'm watching my gluten, so you can't do cream of wheat, which is what I like. So what does that leave me with? Not a lot of options. And so I was like, well, wait, so my first thing is, like, I love eggs, so I can just have eggs with toast, but yeah, so I was like, well, is there a vegan version of that? So I found this recipe, the best tofu scramble from mybowl.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And it says it's going to take 10 minutes to make a tofu scramble. And I'm going to put peppers and onions in it because I love peppers and onions. And so I have my extra firm tofu. Can you guys see this? Hold on. Let me step closer. Tofu scramble. Right? And then turmeric, which is good for you. Whoop. Hi. Focus. Thank you. Nutritional yeast, which I was mad that I paid so much at Stop and Shop, which it was less expensive at Whole Foods. Filtered water, cashew cream. I don't have cashew cream. I couldn't find cashew cream. I'm not making cashew cream. So I got coconut cream with almond milk. It's unsweetened. Whatever. Close enough. We're going to make it work. But I think the most important thing besides the nutritional yeast, the turmeric is just for color, and the cashew cream is for creaminess, so whatever kind of cream, is black salt. Have you guys heard of this? I've never heard of this. There, black salt. So, obviously my Stop and Shop, which is like Clemson ShopRite, didn't have it. I was like, oh, it sucks. Because usually the organic aisle is pretty decent. So I went to Whole Foods. I'm like, hi, Whole Foods, hello. They didn't have it. I'm like, oh my gosh, does nobody have it? So I Googled around. Luckily for me, I have an Indian grocery store near me. It's also called Namak. And I was like, called them, was like, do you have black salt? They're like, yes. So I found it. It was like only 30 cents. Like, it's so cheap. But apparently the black salt, so the cashew cream adds creaminess that you would get, nutritional yeast adds the umami effect that you would get, and black salt adds the sulfur eggy flavoring. So, like, this was essential. If I didn't get black salt, the whole recipe was crap, okay? So I found the black salt. So apparently I have to crumble the tofu, put it it in the pan, add the seasonings, except for the black salt, simmer, blah blah blah, and then I'm putting peppers and onions because I love peppers and onions. And then you turn off the heat and you add the black salt at the very end, just to, because apparently when heat takes away the flavoring, and that's it. So yeah, so they say both nutritional yeast and black salt may be omitted from this recipe, but will not taste as realistic. So, oh, she adds garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Well, I'm gonna do that too, honey. The more flavorings that I can add to tofu that has no flavor, the better. And we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, come with me to my kitchen. Well, as soon as the peppers and onions are done, come with me. Okay, stay tuned. We'll see how this turns out. Okay, so we're back, and I did not grab, oh, I did grab my measuring spoons. Alright, so it says to break up the tofu into bite-sized pieces, which I think I did, and it says to now add the turmeric, which is a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon. There it is. Take this lid off. The turmeric is just for coloring, right? Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we focus? Focus! We're not focusing? We're not going to focus? Turmeric! Okay. So now, focus back on there. So 1/4 teaspoon. Come on. Whoop. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And then, what else? 1 full teaspoon of nutritional yeast. It's actually extra windy out today, so if that's what you guys are hearing in the background, that's what's going on. It's like crazy windy. It's a beautiful day. It's like 60 something degrees. So that's 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. And then, what does it want me to do? Add any extra seed. Oh, let me stir this around. Really make sure. The turmeric is just for coloring, which I think is cute because it definitely is going to add the yellow of definitely going to add the yellow that you would get with egg yolks. So we're just going to move it around. I probably need to turn up the heat a little bit, but I want to mix it up first. Now he said it's going to break up more, so that's why I said just bite-sized pieces to begin with, because it's going to break up more. Well, actually, it's starting to look like eggs. What do you guys think? Just by adding the coloring. I'm going to add some garlic powder because I'm a garlic girl in my eggs. And it's still, I cooked it right after I, right in the juices of the peppers and onions that I just cooked in this pan. Which I figured, hey, girl, add as much flavoring as you can. Alright. Reach over, grab my peppers and onions that I sauteed earlier. I feel like this hoodie is like my official why can't I speak? Oh. I feel like this hoodie's like my official recording, YouTube video recording outfit. This looks really good. Where's my phone? I want to take a picture. Okay, and then they said onion. I want to add onion powder. Which can I find my onion powder? Hold on, I'm gonna have to reach up high. So I'm heavy-handed with garlic. I said onion powder. I'm heavy-handed with garlic. So don't judge me. Garlic's good for your heart. Whatever. Okay. There. So let's turn this up a little bit now that I have everything incorporated. Because I had it on definitely very low heat. And it says when everything begins to simmer, that's when you will add the water, right? The water and the cashew cream. So hold on. I'm gonna let things simmer for a moment. Okay, we're simmering. We have a nice little sizzling going. Okay. So I think it is time to add the 2/3 cup water. And I can't find my 1/3 cup water, so we're just okay. So 2/3 cup water, and how much? 3 tablespoons cashew cream. Sure. We'll go with that, but we're going to use coconut cream and almond milk, so whatever. 1, 2, 3. Set my spoons aside, and now it says for the next, allow to cook down for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. So let's give the first initial stir. Oh, okay, so we're gonna have to cook down all this water. But we want it, I think some of these pieces I need to break up, but. Okay, so now, I was like a carne molida, right? And now it's to simmer this. So we turn it up some. Simmer this water away. And we'll be back for the final step, which is to turn off the heat, excuse me, and add the black salt. Be right back. Look at it simmer. Look at the bubbles. Okay, so now it's time to add the black salt, which I guess is the most important part. It says how much? How much black salt? Half a teaspoon. That's the only one I haven't used yet. So I got my black salt. Whoop. Let's open this sucker up. I'm making some toast to have with my egg scramble. And we're gonna see. I added some pepper and salt and stuff. It definitely has a that was my toast. I don't know if they're toasted enough. Okay, so it says half a teaspoon okay. There. Half a teaspoon of black salt that we now have to fold into here. I don't know if that was enough. But I turned off the heat, like I said, and we're folding it in at the end. It looks like scrambled eggs, don't it? It has a texture of scrambled eggs. I don't know if that was enough. But now it's time for the final setup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I have finished my tofu scramble. Yay, let me get my thumbnail. Okay, sorry, thumbnail's important. So I have my scrambled, my tofu scramble with peppers and onions, and I made some toast to go with it, and now it's time for the taste test, and we'll see. It looks like eggs, like it has a consistency of eggs. I would think that this was eggs. If you put this on a plate in front of me, I would say eggs. Okay, so does it smell like eggs? No, not really. But I did put a little bit of black salt on my finger to taste it, to see what it was like. And like, guys, black salt legit tastes like eggs. Okay, so here we go. I'm nervous. Usually I do put ketchup on my eggs. Don't judge me. And I put hot sauce, whatever. But for this, I'm just going to eat it straight and see how it goes. Is it eggs? It's eggs. Wow. Shut up. And I have enough for like a meal prep for this week. I mean, you guys saw how much was in the pan. Shut up. And they said it's good for like 5 days. This is legit good. I might have been too heavy-handed with the adobo. I can definitely taste adobo, but this is eggs. Now I'm gonna go add my ketchup because I like ketchup. Whatever, don't judge me. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Definitely try this. A friend of mine said that he makes his vegan scrambled eggs with garbanzo flour just because of like the soy content and everything like that, which I understand. So I would definitely want to try his recipe next. But this is a healthy alternative for people who want eggs but don't want to eat eggs. And next I'll try to find you a healthy alternative for people who want eggs but don't want to eat eggs or have soy. And that'll be my next thing. Okay guys, so please like, subscribe, share, you know the deal. Help people find this. Let me know if there's any other vegan recipes that you're like, I don't know about that. I do want to try vegan breakfast sausage. Because like I said, I'm a breakfast girl, so I want to try different options. So I'll be back. This was Cooking with Vikki. Yay!